stone, and with the power of the water was turned like this. And after they put it down on the floor, and they take it. Over there is the storage. They put it and before
All right, so today is March 23rd, 11:29 in the morning. Sunny, cloudy out here today. It's like in the 50s, 60s. Right now it's pretty chill, warm outside. Yeah. We just went over a watermill place that makes flavor. I don't know for what exactly, but today we're river rafting. So, yeah.
Που είναι λίγο δύσκολο. Τι δύσκολο, μωρέ, αφού ανεβαίνω εγώ με αυτό. Μανώλη.
But I need just a powerful. One time front. One time front. And branch it. Position. And go back. Keep going. Stop.
It's like Simon Says.
Yeah. Front.
Can of beer. In the water. Want a beer?
That's so pretty.
It's beautiful. Very relaxing. Very nice to be out.
One front. Stop. Branches. Protect yourself.
Damn!
I got it. Position. One front. And branches. Position.
Ooh, we got spider on me. Look out here. Oh shit. Yeah, get it.
One front.
So nice.
I want to do this in the summer when it's hot.
Yeah.
Swim more.
One front. Front. Branches down. Front. Stop. Bravo. And back. Down. Protect yourself. Down. And butt. Down. Bravo. One back. And branches. Protect yourself. Position. Bravo.
Great.
And back. Back. Left front, right back. Left front, right back. Stop. And back all together. Bravo, you turn it. Easy, stop. One front. Go to one front. One more. Ah, you're okay. Stop. Take care of this branch. Take care on the right. And front. Bravo. Keep going. And branches. Front, 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 front. Stop, back, 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 back. Let's go back. Stop. One front. And branches.
So many
fucking
spiders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Front.
Bridge!
I'll keep power to make a trick. Go, 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 go. Front, 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 front.
It starts with an S, right?
Stilos? No? Kilari? Where the one where they
The
get
Yaris is the main river, but when we pass with a car, I told you that this is a part of the river. We pass the river, you remember? With the car?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This is the part of
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Oh,
the river. If you go more over there, you're going to see the path.
I see.
This is the river Crete. That
Crete.
when we have the winter, a lot of rain, it's full. And with Yaris, it goes the level very high. If you're gonna see this bridge, is the hydrometric bridge. It has some meters on the right that it see how deep it's the water. Now it's in good levels, not like summer, not like full in February, but it's good. We're going to try to swim like I show you. You go back, you go over there because after is the level 3 path. That I told you. This
Level
is the most
3.
difficult path. I'm going to show you how we're going to combine and work together. So we take this trip. We go first, we crash in the tree and go with back. It's the only way to take this path because it's very small. So go like this and after with the pack we turn.
Okay.
So now you go one by one over there in the turn and you leave yourself. Like I show you, leave the river to take you. And when I tell you, come out, you swim aggressive after, like this. Okay, you do like this. And when I say go out, you turn and you swim out. Because if you go over there, I will find you in the sea after, okay? Lupon, one by one, who goes first?
I'll go first.
Where? Turn yourself like this, bravo, fall down. Go.
We're just having fun right now.
It's cold.
Oh my gosh, you look so good! Ah! Yes! Oh my god, who is that? Unbothered all summer. Okay. Yeah, it's
Into the rocks.
Come out, out.
Swim!
We will come over here.
This water's cold. It's like melted snow and natural water. Ready?
Yeah.
Whew. It's cold, Henry.
I don't know what's cold. I know you can't see yourself right now.
Come out.
So, like out there. Breathe it out. You're doing great.
Be calm. Calm.
Just start fishing out, baby.
Go out. Come, come, come. You jump in the river. Left back, right down. Left back, right down. As I told you. Go, 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 go. Go. Go this way. Bravo, man. Go. Perfect.
Yay.
One back. One back. Bravo. Back.
Yeah. Spider check. You're all good. Is it drinkable?
I drink it. Go, bro. If you want to go there, I have it in the car. You see the branch?
Yeah.
That's it. Down, down, down.
Yeah, damn.
Go, position, front.
Ooh, fish. I saw fishy.
Perfect, guy. This is the end.
Oh,
The end.
Everybody safe.
Woo! Thank you.
You enjoyed it?
Great way to stop. Yeah.
We're on time.
Wow.
Sweet.
Hoorah. You good to get out?
Yeah, you get out on the
No.
left side, put the paddle inside, and you can get the...
Who's going to carry the boats
Perfect.
and the logs?
Λοιπόν, εγώ τώρα να κάνω μια αλλαγή, να βάλω ένα κεμπάπ που έχω να φάω καιρό, αντί για το χοιρινό. Αραβική, αλλά κεμπάπ να έχει. Τέλεια. Okay.
It grows a avocado tree.
So we just got done eating lunch after hitting the river, and that's about it to the video for today. Not a whole lot, kind of much more of the river rafting. There's more trips and activities coming up, and I'll vlog that.